We're Jackson and Rami, two 9-to-5 guys from America on a month-long backpacking trip through Italy. Globetrotting isn't our full-time thing, but we're set on traveling with intention. We're not exactly nomads. In this video, we spend the day on a bro date at Lake Como, one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. We soak in breathtaking views and geek out at Villa del Balbianello, an iconic filming location featured in Star Wars: Attack of the Clones.
Good morning, everybody. Day 2, Lake Como. This is the view that we woke up to right here. Pretty insane. Low clouds over the mountains. People going about their business. Unreal. Just enjoyed a lovely cappuccino with my boy Rami to this view.
Like, damn.
Damn,
it's like
bro.
a painting right there, man.
Seriously. I say we get after it. What do you say?
Yeah, let's go. So I got the ticket. I'm like asking, yo, like, what time the ferry leaves? She's like 9:20. I'm like, how much is it? He's like 9:20. I'm like, oh, okay. So what time the ferry leaves? She's like 9:20. I'm like, come on. Turns out the ticket is 9:20 and the ferry leaves at 9:20 as well.
And off we go. There's a couple over there with matching pink outfits. I was telling Rami that should be us. So I can find you easy when you get lost. Look at this view though. All right, it's Bellagio time. Wake up. I think we're at the point in the day where Rami needs some coffee and alcohol. He's like, this lake is okay.
Get me a spritz shot and
I think if you got a coffee and some shots in you, you'd be like, this is the greatest place on earth.
Jackson.
Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful crooked heart. Rami, we've been on better dates than I think any of us have taken any of our girlfriends on.
Oh yeah,
before.
100%.
Easily. Boom. Look at this. I'm going to fly right through it. Wow.
My heart is beating. Not from this, as for you.
So long to Bellagio. It's pretty nice. All right. It took us over an hour to get the ticket, but we got it. We're going to see the Villa, guys. I just want to recreate the I hate sand moment with you.
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
Doesn't it involve a kiss?
Then it was mostly just the kiss part of it.
There's no topping that as it went.
Dude, they got that one really fancy event going on in there. It's gonna be you and me someday.
Keep on dreaming, buddy.
This whole family up here is American. Oh, you know what? I think the guy's American and the bride is Italian.
Really?
Oh. Holy shit.
That's a view.
Shining light in the distance.
Is the aliens.
That's my shining light in love for you, Rami. Wow.
No.
Killer.
Happy with that.
You want a picture or video? I don't like sand. It's coarse, it's rough, it's irritating, and it gets everywhere. All right, I had my little moment there. I said the line. It's such a beautiful location and such a horribly written line.
It was beautiful, man.
Yeah, that is a
I showed
stunning
it to
view.
you. I think I showed
That is
it
a
to you.
stunning view. Those clouds are perfect. And these are the steps for when they arrive in the scene. They come up right there. I'm sure the camera was up on this ledge here and pointed down in this direction. Rami, you picked a good shirt today because it matches the color of this water.
Hey, I'm blending into the natural environment, you know?
Styling. All these fancy boat rides. We should give someone our camera and we can recreate the scene.
The lines, the kiss, the
Especially
everything.
the kiss part.
No.
Just got a couple more photos. Just had to take it in, you know?
Yeah, let's take it in.
Rami's checking out these girls here. All right, the wedding party has arrived, so I think it's our cue to start heading back up.
Yeah. Let's get out of this mess.
There goes the bride and groom. Rami, would you ever come to a destination wedding out here?
No. I mean, just if somebody else is paying for it, I would.
You wouldn't fly out to Lake Como to watch me get married?
Hey, you're paying?
Absolutely not.
Oh, fuck off then.
This is Rami's favorite spot. We were just admiring the artwork along these balconies here, the two babies holding this thing together, and then this other baby getting eaten by the dragon. So, quite nice, quite nice. Just recreated the photo of Anakin contemplating deeply. It's cleared out, it's really nice here. Recreating the photo.
Like this one, but like zoomed in like right here. You get the flowers in the middle, good angle. You got those two flowers, you got the side
I think
piece.
ours is a little low, but it's pretty close. I'm pretty happy. Great work, sir. Becoming our photographer. The statue kind of looks like Rami if he had a mustache and conquered parts of Italy.
If I had a mustache, I would look like a pedophile.
The sun just disappeared, the park's clearing out, so I think it's time for us to move on to the next adventure of this evening. Just vibing at this little boat launch right here. The clouds are rolling back in, the sun is gone. Trying to figure out if we're gonna stay here or go somewhere else to try and catch a little sunset. Enjoyed our nice few minutes of rest. Dude, you're tired, I can tell. We were gonna stay at that vibe spot a bit longer, but getting dark, getting late. At least get back to our hostel and maybe call it an early day. Here we go.
40 past. Not in my direction, mate.
I've been a little gassy today, and Rami's had it with me.
Like every time he like walks in front of me, like he speeds up, thinking like you could do the deed and then walk away simply.
I'm sorry for farting on you, Rami. I don't know what I ate today, actually. Dinner at the hostel. Just taking it all in. Good vibes, good music, good company. Rami's gonna slam more wine too.
When you're in Italy, you're in Italy. When else are you gonna be able to just keep pouring white wine like it's water?
Time to turn in a little early. We're getting out of here early, going to Genoa. Lake Como's been pretty good to us. I don't know.
It was decent.
Decent.
It was decent.
It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in my life. So let's call it.
We're out.
All right, good morning, everybody. It's pretty early. We are leaving Lake Como.
About to see the sunset on the boat.
Sunrise.
Epic.
Let's hit it. What a sight to wake up to. Sheesh, man.
This is what America could be if they invested in rail. Look at it, no traffic, no nothing, people getting off the train, getting on the train. I mean, some of these people came all the way from like the border of Switzerland to their morning commute to Milan to work, and they're gonna go back afterwards. That's their 9 to 5 right there. That's wow.